No! Wait! What's going on? Why is his body crumbling like a demon?
SANEMI.
Don't worry, I'll save you. Your big brother is gonna save you. Don't worry, Genya.
I always knew. You didn't hate me. I feel the same way. Because we're brothers. You'll defeat Muzan and live a happy life. Because my big brother is the nicest person in the world.
Please! Please don't take my little brother away! Genya!
I'll see you again, big brother.